In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to replicate an email campaign in Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to resend a successful campaign, save time on designing a new email, or simply want to reuse your existing campaign template, this process is simple and straightforward. We'll start by opening your Chrome browser and heading over to Mailchimp.com. Once the website has loaded, you'll want to log in to your Mailchimp account. If you're not already familiar with it, your login credentials were set up when you first registered, and this will typically include your email address and password. After you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Mailchimp dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll notice a menu on the left-hand side. Locate and click on the Campaigns tab. This section is essentially the heart of your Mailchimp account, where you can manage and view all your email marketing campaigns. Once you're in the Campaigns section, take a moment to find the specific email campaign you're interested in duplicating. If you have many campaigns, you might need to scroll through your list. Look for the one that stands out and is ready for replication. Now, once you've pinpointed the correct campaign, you'll notice a drop-down arrow positioned next to it. Click on this arrow, which will reveal several actions. From these options, you'll want to select Replicate. This feature is incredibly useful because it allows you to clone your entire email campaign with just a single click, creating an exact replica in your campaign list. After selecting Replicate, the duplicated version of your campaign will immediately appear in your list. At this point, it's important to personalize and customize this new campaign version. Click on the copied campaign to start the editing process. Inside, you'll have the free